If you're sending traffic sa homepage tapos inaasahan mong isipin pa ng mga tao kung ano yung gagawin nila, malaki yung chance na mawawalan ka ng conversions. Yung simple funnel, always mas effective siya kaysa sa mga generic website kasi tinatanggal niya yung distractions at ginaguide niya yung tao towards sa isang specific action lang. What's going on, everyone? My name is Kyle. Today, tuturo ko sa inyo how to build a simple funnel sa ClickFunnels at i-connect natin siya directly sa email list mo para lahat ng leads ma-capture, ma-nurture, at ma-monetize automatically. Dadaan tayo sa funnel structure, page setup, form integration, email list connection, basic automation, at testing before launch. By the end ng video na to, meron ka ng live funnel connected sa email list mo and ready nang mag-generate ng leads or sales. Let's get into it. Before tayo mag-build ng kahit ano, pag-usapan muna natin kung bakit mas nagko-convert ang funnels. Yung homepage may navigation menus, multiple product categories, blog links, about pages, at social icons. Ang daming exits. Yung funnel, isang goal lang, isang message at isang action. Yung focus na yun, nagpapataas talaga ng conversion rates. Yung simpleng funnel structure, ganito lang. Opt-in page, thank you page, at email follow-up sequence. Yun na yun. Simple, focused, at effective. If wala ka pang ClickFunnels account, pwede mong gamitin yung link sa description below para mag-start ng 14-day free trial. Once meron ka ng account at nakalogin ka na, sa left column makikita mo yung funnels. Pag nasa funnels ka na, nasa right side naman makikita mo yung create funnel. Pag kinlik mo yung create funnel, meron kang option to use templates or mag-start from scratch. For this video, mag-i-start tayo from scratch. Tapos, lagyan mo ng name yung funnel mo. For this video, papangalanan ko siyang Kyle's New Funnel. Then select Create Funnel. Now, we need to build yung opt-in page. Dito actually nangyayari yung conversions. Inside ng new funnel mo, we need to add yung first step. Sa center ng screen mo, makikita mo yung plus sign. I-select mo yon, tapos piliin mo yung page. Sa left column, hanapin mo yung opt-in. Then, piliin mo yung template na gusto mo. Once napili mo na yung template, pwede mo na siyang bigyan ng name, description, tapos select Create Page. After ma-add yung page, pwede mo nang i-click yung 3 dots, tapos select Edit Page para ma-edit natin yung bagong page. Yung opt-in page mo should include a clear headline, subheading na nag-explain ng value, simple form like name and email, call to action button, at optional visual mock-up ng lead magnet mo. Keep it clean. Walang navigation menu, walang footer links, at walang distractions. Yung headline mo should answer, what problem does this solve? Ito yung bad headline. Join our newsletter. Ito yung better headline. Get the free 7-step guide to doubling your Shopify sales. Mas effective, yung specific, mas panalo kaysa vague. Keep the form simple lang. First name and email lang. Every extra field nababawasan yung conversion. So sa editor page mo, pwede mong i-delete lahat ng hindi mo kailangan. I-hover mo lang yung may lalabas na delete icon. So dito, pwede kong ilagay yung title box na to. Currently, may email and subscribe button na ako. Para mag-add ng name, pwede ko ring i-duplicate to. Once na ma-duplicate mo na yung email field, i-select mo yung box, then mag-scroll ka sa input type. Piliin mo yung drop-down menu, then select full name. So ngayon, pwede nang maglagay yung tao ng full name nila. Then email, tapos subscribe. Click your subscribe button. Then pumunta ka sa button, action on click. Tapos make sure na nakaselect yung submit order form. Once tapos ka na mag-add ng lahat ng details, just select save. Before makapag-send ng leads yung funnel mo anywhere, bumalik ka muna sa homepage mo. Scroll down sa workspace settings, then select integrations. Dito pwede mong piliin yung email provider mo at i-connect siya. So sa case ko, MailChimp yung nakakonect. Once connected na yung email provider mo, balik ka lang ulit sa homepage, then go to funnels and select yung funnel mo. Just above ng funnel, may kita mo yung workflows. I-click mo yon, then attach a workflow. Pwede kang pumili ng existing workflow or gumawa ng bago. So bibigyan natin siya ng name. Once nabigyan na natin ng name like form submitted, then select event type na opt-in. Tapos select create workflow. After mo ma-add yung trigger, sa baba nun, click mo yung plus sign. Scroll ka sa pinaka-bottom, then select third-party integration. Then piliin mo yung email provider mo. Select set up another, then click action ka like add subscribers to a list with tags. Then piliin mo kung anong list. After that, pwede kang maglagay ng tag. For example, contact ID, full name, email. So, sabihin natin contact ID. Then, enter email address ng subscriber. So, select email, then next, tapos save. So, ngayon, connected na yung email provider mo sa opt-in page mo. Pwede ka ring mag-add ng tags or additional actions depende sa setup mo. After mag-submit yung user, dapat mapunta sila sa thank you page. Dito, you confirm yung sign up, i-deliver yung lead magnet, set expectations, at mag-offer ng next step. Kunwari, your guide is on its way to your inbox. Pwede ka ring mag-add ng low-ticket offer, link sa best product mo, or discount code. Ito yung first monetization opportunity mo. To do this, bumalik ka sa funnel mo, sa ilalim ng opt-in page, iselect mo yung plus, then page. Sa left column, scroll down to thank you, then piliin mo yung template na gusto mo. So ngayon, meron ka ng opt-in page, tapos may thank you page na. Now na nakapasok na yung leads mo sa list, we need automation. Inside ng email platform mo, gumawa ka ng new automation. Yung trigger should be added to list or tag applied. Meron tayong basic 5 email welcome sequence example. Email 1, immediate. I-deliver agad yung lead magnet mo at i-introduce yung brand mo. Email 2 on day 2. Mag-share ka ng quick win or tip. Email 3 on day 4. Magkwento ka or case study. Email 4 on day 6. I-address mo yung objections nila. And email 5 on day 7, dito mo ipepresent yung offer mo. This helps build trust before ka magbenta aggressively. Never kang maglo-launch without testing. I-submit mo yung form to yourself, i-check mo kung nag-a-appear ba yung contacts sa email list, kung tama ba yung tag na nag-apply, kung nag-start ba yung automation, kung maayos ba yung email delivery, and kung naglo-load ba yung thank you page correctly. Testing prevents wasted traffic. If nagro-run ka ng paid ads, install ka ng Facebook Pixel, TikTok Pixel, or Google Tag. Ilagay mo yung tracking code sa funnel settings. This lets you retarget non-converters, track conversions, and optimize campaigns. Funnels without tracking, sayang yung data. May ilang common mistakes na dapat iwasan. Una, too many pages. Keep it simple lang. Opt-in, thank you, email follow-up, don't overbuild early. Pangalawa, weak offer. If hindi compelling yung lead magnet mo, bababa yung conversion rates. Dapat specific yung problem na sinusolve mo. Pangatlo, no automation. Collecting emails without follow-ups is basically pointless. Always build the email sequence first. Pang-apat, over-designing. Fancy animations don't increase conversions. Clarity is better than complexity. Ganito mo siya i-optimize later. Once live na, i-improve mo yung headline gamit split testing, pati button text, lead magnet angle, thank you page upsell, at email subject lines. Small tweaks lang pero malaki yung impact over time. When to use a simple funnel. This type of funnel works best for lead generation, info products, coaching, e-commerce lead magnets, at pre-launch lists. You don't need 20 pages. You need clarity. Scaling the funnel. Once validated na yung funnel mo, dun mo palang ida-drive yung paid traffic. Mag-add ka ng retargeting ads, increase mo yung email frequency, mag-add ka ng upsells, at i-expand mo yung automation logic. Pero gawin mo lang lahat ng to after ma-prove na talagang nagko-convert siya. Funnels outperform homepages kasi ginaguide nila yung behavior ng user. Once connected siya sa email list mo, nagiging automated sales machine siya. If seryoso ka sa pag-build ng predictable revenue, this is one of the first systems na dapat mong i-implement. If wala ka pang ClickFunnels account, pwede mong gamitin yung link sa description below para mag-start ka ng 14-day free trial. Just so you know, these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. Using these links helps support the channel so we can continue bringing you free content like this. If this video helped, make sure na mag-leave ng like, mag-subscribe, and hit that notification bell para hindi mo ma-miss ang future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.